Welcome to another video. Here is our math challenge for today. Given that x to the power 4 equals x minus 4 all raised to the power of 4. To solve for the value of x, so we can apply two different methods to solve this. So the first method is we can apply the identity, and the other method is we can apply the Pascal triangle method. So I'm going to apply the Pascal triangle method, so which I think that one is more efficient. And let's get into it. So let's try to transfer this. Here is x to the power 4 minus bracket x minus 2 to the power of 4 equals 0. So from this one, you can try to expand this. So the expansion of x minus 2 to the power of 4 is given as x to the power of 4, and here is minus 2x to the power of 3, and we have this as plus. So here is 4x to the power 2. So while we have minus 8x to the power of 1. So the last one is plus 16. Well, this is just the expansion of x minus 2 to the power of 4. So we need their coefficient. So for the power of 4, we have 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. So let's try to multiply it. We have this as x to the power 4 minus 8x to the power of 3 plus, here is 24x squared minus 32x. So while the last one is plus 16. On getting this, we are going to replace this here with this, and we have x to the power 4 minus bracket x to the power of 4 minus 8x cubed plus 24x squared minus 32x plus 16 equals 0. So we try to expand this. So this and this we cancelled, and minus multiplied by this. That is 8x cubed minus 24x raised to power 2 plus 32x minus 16 equals 0. So the next thing is, if you have to check all this, 8 can divide this without remainder. So which means we divide all this by 8. So let's say divide this by 8, divide by 8, divide by 8, divide by 8, and divide by 8. So 8 cancel this. We have this as x to the power 3. So 8 in 24 is 3. So we have this as minus 3x squared plus 8 in 32 is 4. We have 4x minus 8 in 16 is 2. Everything equals 0. So A is a cubic equations, so which we can solve this one. But to solve this, we are going to apply the polynomial method to solve this. But before that, we need the initial guesses. So here, if I let x equals 1, so trying to substitute x equals 1 here to check if all this equals to 0. So by doing that, we have this as 1 to the power 3 minus 3 into bracket of 1 square plus 4 into bracket of 1 minus 2 equals 0. Then we have 1 cube is 1 minus all this is 3 plus 4 minus 2. So the addition of all these equals 0. It shows that x equals 1 is one of the solution to this. Then if x equals 1 as the solution, by taking 1 here, we have x minus 1 equals 0 is the factor of this. Why to get the other roots? So we are going to apply the synthetic division method, so to get the other roots. If the first root x equals 1, so we need to write out all the coefficient of all these. So we write the coefficient of x cubed, coefficient of x squared, coefficient of x, and the constant values here. So when we do that, we have this as, for the x cube, we have it as 1. So we have this as minus 3, here is 4, and here is minus 2. Okay, so the method is, let's say this one comes down since it starts the equation. So we are going to write it as it is. We have this as 1. So the next thing is 1 multiplied by 1, that is 1. So we are going to write that one here. And if we add this together, here is minus 2. So 1 multiplied by minus 2, we have it as minus 2. And addition of all this is 2. So 1 multiplied by 2, that is 2. So if we add this together, we get 0. So when we get 0 here, it means we are safe. So now we continue with the other root and checking this. These are non-zero and there are 3 terms. It means it's a quadratic trinomial. So therefore, this one will form x squared minus 2x plus 2 equals 0. So then we solve this one. It's a quadratic equation. We are going to solve this. So to solve this, since this is x squared minus 2x plus 2 equals 0, so we recall that if a equals 1, we have b equals minus 2 and c equals 2. So we try to plug in all these in this quadratic formula, which is x equals minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So anywhere I see all this value, I'm going to replace it. Therefore, we have x equals, so b is minus 2, and minus times minus here, that is plus. Plus or minus square root of, so we have b square, which is minus 2 square, and minus 2 square is 4. So the whole of this is 4 multiplied by a is 1, and this one is 2. Then we have the whole of this as minus 8. Then everything divided by 2. So therefore, x equals 2 plus or minus the root of, here is going to be minus 4 divided by 2. Minus 4 divided by square root of minus 4 is going to be complex root, so which is minus 2i. So x equals 2 plus or minus 2i. So everything divided by 2. So therefore we have x equals, so when we factor out 2, we are left with 1 plus or minus I divided by 2. So if 2 cancel 2, x equals 1 plus or minus I. So which is the other root. So we have this as, I will call this one x2, 3, and y this one is x1. So you can try to check this one and plug it in this. We are going to get that the left hand side equals to the right hand side at x equals 1. So this is how to solve this problem, and thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and for more exciting math content like this. I will see you in the next video. Never stop learning. Bye bye.